Alex! Alex! Alex!
Hey, Dad.
Why are you like that?
What?
I give you 3 calls.
Dad, I was listening to that music. This is 45 Soldiers and Jack Mill. I love that music.
So everything you do is music, music, music.
I'm sorry, Dad. I'm sorry. I won't do that again.
I need to eat corn.
Oh, alright. Hey, Dad.
Wow.
You like it, eh?
Kind of.
No, it's okay. Hey, Dad, I have a question for you. Can I have a half of your corn?
Why?
Because I want to eat also.
As Asian kid, you don't need to ask when you need something.
Why?
Because I already know what you want, what you need.
A few moments later.
Hey, Dad.
Corn.
Oh, thank you. Dad, I have a question for you.
Yeah.
You like the music, but you don't really listen to it.
Do you have any question to ask me?
A few minutes later.
Ah, you like it, Dad? Ah, it's good.
Yeah.
He doesn't give it. He doesn't give to me. You like it?
Yeah.
It's good, I guess.
Mm-hmm.
I guess it's good, Dad.
Yeah.
Mm. It's really good. Is it from Haiti?
Yeah. Vicié.
Why you call me vicious?
Little longer than a few minutes later.
Was it good, Dad?
It was good.
Mm-hmm.
Thank you.
Yeah. Would you let me throw it away for you?
Sure.
Oh.
Wait.
What?
Actually, they have a garbage can here.
Yes, I'm going to throw it there for you.
No, let's go put it like a basketball.
Dad, wait.
Huh.
Yeah. You know in Haiti, people always say sometimes God use different ways to talk to us, like dream.
Yeah.
Yeah, last night, I was dreaming like you were playing something like basketball, and then you broke your hand.
Me?
Yeah, so let me throw it away for you. Don't do that. I was crying. That was so sad. That was so bad.
Really?
Yeah, you were about to pass out.
Oh.
Yeah.
All right. Wait. Come. I don't believe in kind of this dream.
Why?
Oh no, Haitian don't believe in that,
You always tell me God talk to us
Oh,
that
not this time, Sorry, it's not this time. What?